Another thing you could do is maybe go to maybe a forum, maybe a Facebook group or on social media, and just sit in a group and just listen to what's going on. Get into the most popular threads, whatever your passion is. See, is there a Facebook group or a forum or something like that? And just go in, spend some time in it today, just read through the posts. And again, you will find people will put, queries in, I've got this problem or whatever, any solutions to this. And then have a look at those pain points and then ask yourself, is this something I could help someone with? Would this be something that someone would pay me for? Now you will find that even though maybe it is already covered in a Facebook group or something like that, you're saying to yourself, well, if it's already discussed here, there's no way I can come along, write an ebook about this, create a digital product about that and actually charge money for it because someone's already solving this problem for free over here. Again, dismiss that idea, because you're going to find that when it comes to solving problems, someone could go on the internet right now, could spend the next 3 weeks trying to find the answer to their question. Or they could buy your product today that gives them that answer in the next 10 minutes. And by you saving them all that time of them not having to do that research, it makes it easier for them, and they would gladly pay you for that product for saving them the time of having to try and find the answer to the solution. So just spend some time in those Facebook groups and social media and just listen to what people are talking about.